I'd like to welcome you. Today, we're going to be talking about our eye, and specifically about two cells that we have in our eye that are called the rods and the cones. They're on the part of your eyeball that's called the retina, which is way in the back. And the rods get their name because they're shaped kind of like a rod, and they help us see black and white shadows and movement in low light situations. The other cell that we have in our eyes and the retina are called cones, and they're shaped like a cone. Oh, that's very interesting. And cones help us see color. So the one way you can remember that is that cones and color start with C. In order for cones to work, you need a lot of light, like we have right here.
Well, I find that very interesting. I had no idea that any of that was going on inside my eyeballs. Oh, do tell us some more.
Well, I thought that we could go through a little example of how the rods and cones work in your eyes. Would you guys like to do that?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Well, I happen to right now, this will be very, very easy because we have plenty of light and we can see all the different colors of these markers, right?
Yes.
Mr. Eagle?
Yes.
So what we'll do is go to an area where we don't have quite as much light and see what happens, if we can see the color or if we can't. And we'll write down on our handy dandy note cards what color we think that the marker is. What do you guys think of that? Sound good?
Oh, yes, I can't wait.
Okay, super. Let's head over to a spot where there's a little less light. All right, so now, here we are. What we're gonna do is see how the cones in our eyes have now stopped working so well and the rods have taken over.
Oh, jeepers, creepers, where'd you get those beavers? Jeepers, creepers, where'd you get those eyes?
All right, you guys. Honestly, I had no idea what any of those colors were. I couldn't see anything. They all looked black to me.
Me too.
Well, let's turn the lights back on and see how we did. Okay, we're back. We got the lights on. We can see the color again. Let's see how we did, you guys.
Oh, jeepers, creepers, where'd you get those beavers? Jeepers, creepers, where'd you get those eyes?
And I hope that this shows how your cones really do need a lot of light in order to work to see color, but our rods help us see when we don't have enough light. What do you think about that?
I think that's pretty darn cool.
I can still see from 500 feet in the air better than any of you. We know, Mr. Eagle, but you don't have to brag about it. Well, I'd like to thank you guys for coming and joining me today. We had a little chat about our rods and cones in our eyes. I hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.
Oh, jeepers, creepers, where'd you get those beavers? Jeepers, creepers, where'd you get those eyes? Oh gosh, I'll get how'd you get so lit Gosh, I'll get how'd you get that side?